What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Atia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And I am back with another video. Today I'm going from like bum, crusty, dusty, musty, very ashy, in need of some hydration lotion, you know what I'm saying? To like very wet and like, ooh, who is she? Like, can I have your number? But no, guys, like I really transformed in this video. Wow. It's crazy. I mean, I was cute before. Like, I'm always cute, like, wait. But now I'm like cute. I was cute before, but now I'm cute. So yeah, if you guys want to see this transformation, then definitely stay tuned to this video. Keep on watching. Oh, let's get it. Like, I'm actually crusty right now. So I'm just taking some of my edge control. This is like regular edge control. I barely use edge control now. I usually use Got2b glue if I'm laying down my actual baby hairs and I'm like swooping them down and like making them look cute and stuff. And you gotta get the back because you don't want, you know, the curls or the kitchen, as we call it, to be out and like looking crazy. So like I use this oil, it's called Do Grow, and it really does help like your hair growth. This joint is so freaking long. Like, whose head is this huge? Seriously, what's good with you? What's good with you, ma? Shake up my Got2b glue free spray. Never used this stuff before. Ooh, I like it. I'm getting a little better, you know, with laying down my little frontal or whatever. So y'all may get that type of video. How about you lay down your frontal routine? Hit it. And I want tonight and my hips don't lie. I'm starting to feel like. Oh, I need to. Alright, cut this up. Cut it off. Someone just take this matte foundation powder from Sephora, and the color I have is in warm amber. And I'm just gonna put this on the front and also where I want my, you know, part to be, so I can make it look a little bit more natural. And don't worry about this, it's gonna be in the back, so it's fine. So pretty much this is how the lace will look on. But see, like, you see how it's not that like transparent? Like, it doesn't melt into my skin. It's because the lace is too dark for my skin complexion. Like, I'm light, y'all. Y'all see. This background matches my skin color, so. And you want to make sure you really smooth, like, it down, because if it's not going to dry properly. So now that it's clear, like, you can barely see it now, right? The glue. That's how I know that it's ready to apply. I can apply my lace now. So I'm just gonna bring it up to the front. Oh my gosh, see, this is the part that is annoying, when all the hair just won't let me live. I'm just gonna start pressing it down with my nail, pressing the lace down, not like the hair. Almost forgot, before I put on my scarf to lay it down, I'm gonna put some of this powder on it, because this helps for when it's laying down. It helps like make it look better. Okay, so my hair is laid now. Like, it looks pretty good. I put a little bit more powder, okay? When it don't look too good, add a little bit more powder. Okay, so now she looking good. Okay, so actually, hold on. One more time. But yeah, now we like looking good. All right, so I'm just going to lay my baby hairs now, and then I'll start on my makeup. Dust your shoulders off, bitch. I did that. Me. All right, so I already primed my face and everything. You guys should know what I use, but I'm gonna use the liquid glow because I want to be very like, I just want to be very glowy today, but I want to have like a more radiant glow from within than more so like, oh, I just put some highlighter on my face. You know what I mean? I feel like I got too much of this. I really did get too much. Oh, snap. I'm about to really be glowing from within. Oh my God. Wow. So I'm gonna take the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Makeup. This is their oil-free foundation. And I'm gonna use this as my foundation today. The only thing I don't like about this thing is the applicator. Like, I don't like this applicator at all. Why is it plastic? That is so weird. The foundation is a little dark, but it's okay because I'll correct it when I have my, you know, concealer on, because it's gonna lighten it up and stuff, so it'll be okay. The coverage is okay. Lord knows, Lord knows. So now I'm gonna take these concealers. I'm gonna use the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and I'm also use the Loreal Pro Glow. The Pro Glow is way too light for me, so that's why I just use a little bit of it. But it gives me a nice highlight. Like, that highlight just be super perfect. And y'all, I'm sorry, but the Diamond Beauty Blender isn't canceled, but she like got a little replaced. The Sonia Kashuk one, I've been reaching for that one more so than the Diamond one, because I don't know, this one's just bigger and I like the way it's shaped in my hand. It just makes it easier for me to blend it out. And just feels more comfortable sitting in my hand than the Diamond Beauty Blender. Let me see what I need to do next. What do I need to do next? I need to cream contour my face because it looks a little bad. Yeah, I don't really like that. Bars. Not really though, but you know what I mean. So I'm gonna set everywhere with my powder. I have really been loving this contour palette. It's just so warm and it just makes everything look so good. And the powder is so smooth and like airy. It just applies so nice. The only place I leave some powder on my face is my eyes because they're hooded and I need them to set as long as possible. So now I'm about to move on to my brows and fill those holes in. Oh, I want to use this before I did my brows. No, actually I'm gonna use this after. So this is the Lancome, excuse me, the CILS, I'm gonna say CILS Booster Mascara, and it's pretty much like a primer, but my friend said that someone she knew used this and it helped their like lashes and their eyebrows grow, so I'm gonna use this. And we're gonna see if it grows. I bring y'all in a little bit closer so it could be more intimate and personal because you guys always want to know about my brows. So I'm about to show you guys really quickly. So yeah, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow today. I usually use this one. This is in medium brown. Or I use the ColourPop brow color in like Bangin' Brunette. Yeah, that's what it's called, Bangin' Brunette. But I just want to switch it up a little bit because I've been using that one for like a whole month for real. Oh, I almost forgot. See? Oh my gosh. I'm too excited. Okay, I almost forgot to do this. Yeah, because you know, I'm trying to grow these brows out. So I'm pretty much gonna use it like it's a what is that thing called? Like an eyebrow gel. I'm gonna use it like that. Okay, so firstly, I'm gonna go in with the Soft Glam palette, and today I'm gonna use Rustic and probably a little bit of Burnt Orange as my transition color. And I am putting this towards my nose contour because I love how that looks, and I'm also bringing it out a little bit too. Okay, so I'm gonna take those same 2 shades and put that under my eyes now. And I'm gonna connect it to the outer corner because I actually brung it out a little bit more today. So I'm gonna connect it to there. Now I'm gonna actually take the Natasha Denona palette. This is the Mini Sunset palette. I haven't used this in so freaking long, so I had to like pick it up for this look. I'm gonna take Dirty Mars and I'm using a like fluffier blending brush, and I'm just gonna use this as like a transition color also. Now I'm taking Cypress Under, and I'm really just gonna focus this on the outer corner of my lid and kind of tap it right there to give it a little bit more depth and smokiness. Like, I love looking like sultry and sexy when I put my eyeshadow on. Well, after I have like my whole beat on, my whole face on, you know? Okay, I have Fallout, I know. Where's my brush? Here we go. I'm adding some of that Cypress Umber under my eye to smoke it out, but only on the outer corner. More so on the outer corner than like bring it into the inner corner. I really wanna make it like really smoky on the outer corner. So I'm taking some of my concealer on this flat brush. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to pretty much carve out my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my finger and blend out this outer edge where the concealer meets the shadow, because that part, it can be a little detectable, like if you don't do this. I'm gonna add a little bit more of Mars right here. So now I want to take the Hidden Gems eyeshadow palette. This is from Mercier, and I'm going to take this like very white shadow right here. I'm gonna take actually a little bit of this shade too. So these 2 shades. So I'm taking the glitter adhesive from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I am going to put it right here, right on that line. So I'm just taking some of the glitter, and then I'm going to tap it right here. So I don't know if I want to do, don't want to do a wing. I feel like I don't be doing wings a lot, so I'm gonna do a wing. Added my bottom like liner and stuff, and now I am going to use this lash growth stuff, primer, whatever you want to call it. It's like a lash primer though, for real. And now I'm just adding regular mascara to cover up that white. Like, I don't want it to be white, that's weird. Eyes are looking very cute. Eyes are looking very cute. So now I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. All right, good, we're good. We're good. I'm gonna look like a whole meal. Like if you're going to a holiday party with your boo, girl, do this. I'm telling you, y'all may not even leave the house, okay? Just jokes, guys, just jokes. For my beauty marks, I pretty much just take a brow pencil, but I use a pomade. So I'll either use the Anastasia one or the ColourPop one. And then I just create little kind of freckles, but they're, in my eyes, a beauty mark. Because I do have beauty marks all over my face. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you like, you know, me getting ready and becoming a baddie for my man and just going from like a bum, crusty, dusty, looking like little crackhead to like, dang ma, what is your name? Like, who are you? You know? So yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, definitely comment down below what you want to see next. If you are not entering my giveaway, I actually need to choose another winner chicken dinner. Also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe down below so you can see more looks that I will be bringing for the holiday season. And to enter my giveaway, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Like, it's just no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You have to be subscribed and you have to comment, like, and show love. Period. But yeah, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.